In this video, I will show you how you can use Google Lens on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Now to do that, first of all, just open the App Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now from here, either install Google or Google Chrome on your iPhone. Now after you install either of these apps, then just go to your home screen and open the app which you have installed. For an example, I'll open Google. Now in the home page of these apps, you will find the icon for Google Lens. Now just tap on it. Now from here, you will be able to use Google Lens on your iPhone. But if you want to use Google Lens directly from the home screen, now after you install Google or Google Chrome on your iPhone, the next step is just tap and hold on the home screen of your iPhone, then tap on Edit. Select Add Widget. On this screen, just scroll down. Now either select Google Chrome or Google. Just select the one which you have downloaded. Now for example, I'll tap on Google, and from here just select any of these widgets to add it to the home screen. For example, I'll select this one, and just tap on Add Widget. I'll add the widget of Google Chrome also, so you can see the difference. Just tap on Google Chrome and select the widget which you want to add. Now I will add this one, just tap on Add Widget. Now as you can see on these widgets, you will find the icon for Google Lens. Now after you open Google Lens on your iPhone, you'll be able to capture a photo of any object using Google Lens, and you will be able to search that object using the Google search engine, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.